Hello everyone, welcome to online classes of Self-Start Global School. This is Abhishek Sharma and I am here to teach you English language of class 4. Today we are going to start chapter number 6, which is Adjectives. Okay, so before we start Adjectives, I would like to ask you one thing. Okay, what is this? This is a marker which is white and black in color. Okay, and in number it is 1. I have one marker, okay, which is black and white. Got it? It is new one. It is new one. So how I have described my marker, that it is 1 in number. Okay, it is white and black in color. White and black in color. It is new. Yes. So this one, this white and black and this new, what they are doing? They are describing a marker. This marker they are describing to this marker. And what is a marker? Marker is a thing, which means it is a noun. Okay. So what adjectives do? Adjectives describe, an adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. Okay, that means we can say that adjectives are describing words which describe a noun or a pronoun. Okay. See, we can describe a noun or pronoun in the basis of these things: color, okay, size, origin, shape, and material, age, and temperature, distance, opinion, and time. Okay, these are the things which in the basis of we can describe a noun or pronoun. How the color we can describe through the color. Through color we can describe a noun or pronoun. How? It is black in color. Okay, that shirt is blue. So through colors we can describe a noun or pronoun. Okay, blue, black, white. Okay, size. Through size we can describe a thing that thing was huge, small, or big, or tiny, something. Okay, origin, from where the things a person belong. That boy is an Indian. My food is German, or etc. Shape. Through shape, I have a round ball, or I have a toy which is square in shape, or I have a rectangular pencil box. Okay. Material, she is wearing gold jewelries. I have silver coins. My specs are made of fine glass. Age, I have a new pen. This television is old. Through temperature, this coffee is cold. That water is hot. My blanket is warm. Through distance, That shop is near to my house. My school is far from my home. Through opinion, opinion what we make a thought about a person or thing through its behavior, regarding its or his or her behavior, okay, or manners. We can say like good, he's a good boy, intelligent, she is an intelligent girl, okay, excellent, and many more. Time, he came late today, I came early today. So these late, early, these all are adjectives. Okay. So now we know that how we can use an adjective to describe a noun or pronoun through its color, size, origin, shape, material, age, temperature, distance, opinion, or by time. Okay. Now we will talk about types of adjectives. Okay. Types of adjectives. Adjective of quality. Okay. Adjective of quantity. Adjective of number. Demonstrative adjective. Okay. Demonstrative adjective and possessive adjective. Okay. So we have five types of adjective: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, and possessive adjective. Okay. So now we will start with number one, which is adjective of quality. Number one, adjective of quality. Okay. That's mean when an adjective tells about a noun or pronoun by giving answer to questions what kind. Now see the examples. Mary is an intelligent girl. They have a huge house. Okay. What kind of girl Mary is? What kind of the girl is Mary is? An intelligent girl. That's mean this intelligent is adjective of quality. What kind of house they have? They have a huge house. That's mean huge is adjective of quality. That's mean when we are talking about size, color, shape, yes, about these all things, then we are talking about adjective of qualities. Okay. Now comes the second one. Number two, adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity tells about a noun or pronoun and answers the question how much. How much. Mostly we use an adjective of quantity for the nouns or for the noun which is uncountable, which we cannot count. For those things we use adjective of quantity. Now see, look at see these examples. Example number 1. There is some juice in the glass. There is enough milk to make tea. There is enough milk to make tea. How much juice left in the glass? There is some juice in the glass. That means some is adjective of quantity in this sentence. And there is enough milk to make tea. Here, enough milk. How much milk is left? Enough milk is left to make tea. That means here in this sentence, enough is adjective of quantity. So these things, juice and milk, are liquid in form. For that, we cannot count them. For that, these are uncountable nouns. For that, we use with them adjective of quantity. Got it? Now come to number 3. Adjective of number. Adjective of number tells about a noun or pronoun and answers the question how many. How many. Usually we use this adjective with the nouns which are countable, which we can count. Okay. Look at these examples. Sheila has 3 pets. Okay. Number 2, he is celebrating. He is celebrating his. He is celebrating his 5th birthday. He is celebrating his 5th birthday. Now here you can see Sheila has, how many pens Sheila has? Sheila has 3 pens. Which birthday it is? How many birthday he has celebrated already? 5th. Okay. So here 3 and 5th are adjective of number which we can count. Birthdays we can count and pens we can count. These are the nouns for which we have used these numbers 3 and 5th. Okay. Now come to number 4. Number 4 is demonstrative. Demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective we use to denote, point out a thing or person by using these words, this, these, that, and those. Okay. Now you must have a confusion that we have used same words in demonstrative pronouns. So I will tell you the difference between them. Let's see this example. First of all, let's understand the difference between these, these, that, and those. See, uh, this flower, this flower. Okay, now that flower, these flowers, and those flowers. Now you can see the difference that when a noun is near to us and it is in singular form, then we use this flower. If the noun is far from us and it is in singular form, then we use that with them. That flower. For far the things which are far from us and it's in their singular form, we use that with them. If a noun is near to us and in its singular form, then we use this with that. And if a noun in its plural form and near to you, then we use these flowers. And if it is plural and it is also far from us, then we use those with it, those flowers. Okay, like this marker, that marker. Okay, these marker पास में है, those marker दूर है. Got it? Exercise 1. Underline the adjectives in following sentences and tell their type. Okay, so number 1 is, we saw many animals. We saw many animals in the zoo. Number 1 is, we saw many animals in the zoo. Next is, the tiger had sharp teeth. Next is, the tiger had sharp teeth. Okay? Next is, the zoo is my favorite place to go. The zoo is my favorite place to go. Next is, there is some sugar in the pot. There is some sugar in the pot. Okay? Those boys are making noise. Okay? So, in number 1, we saw many animals in the zoo. What is an adjective? Many. Many is an adjective which is describing the word animals, nouns. Okay? And here many is adjective of number. Yes? Why? Because we can count animals. How many animals are there? Number 2 is, the tiger had sharp teeth. What kind of teeth? Sharp teeth. That means for teeth what we have used as adjective sharp. And sharp is adjective of quality. Yes. Number 3, the zoo is my favorite place to go. My favorite place to go. That means it's my and favorite place. For favorite place we are used my. That means my is possessive. Possessive pronoun. Number 4, there is some sugar in the pot. Some. So why we are using for what we are using? For sugar we are using some. Sugar we cannot count. That means some is quantity. Adjective of quantity. Last one is those boys are making noise. Indicating the boys, which means indicating word is those. That's mean and those is followed by a noun boys. That means those is demonstrative. Demonstrative adjective. Okay. Now we have done for today. Now we will do book exercises tomorrow. Okay.